Do you wish that your expensive facial serums packed a bigger punch? I'm Megan with WTI, and I definitely feel that this DermTech Microneedling roller has helped with that. I really appreciated the very thorough cleaning instructions that were included with this roller. I think this is extremely important since this roller does create micro perforations in my skin, so I definitely don't want to be introducing any nasties in there. The teeny tiny needles can potentially activate your skin's healing response and result in a better texture. I got just ever so slight irritation and a little bit of redness. I did not get any pinpoint bleeding whatsoever, and I found that the redness was gone within an hour. Afterwards, when I applied my serum, my skin just drank it up. I feel like I applied double the amount that I normally do, and I feel like it penetrated into my skin so much deeper. I look forward to continuing to use this really high quality roller from DermTech in my skincare routine. But that's just my point of view.